Hello, all. This is Himanshu, and today we are going to discuss how can you design your own Salesforce for a pharmaceutical company. So, getting started, one thing we need to identify is who is our client. Here, our client is the doctor himself, because basically sales reps will be calling the doctors, and essentially doctors will be recommending our product. So, essentially, to start off, we need to identify what is our target universe. For example, if I am talking about a neurological based drug, I'll only target the more important neurosurgeons, right? I might not target diabetes doctor for that, right? So that is your first step. Identifying your target customers, that is customer targeting. Now, not each customer would be equally important. Now we'll need to segment them in from a high priority to a low priority. That is your customer segmentation. And after that, you need to know how many people do I need to deploy to target all these customers from high priority to low priority. So here comes the Salesforce sizing concept. Here we assign appropriate workload as per the industry benchmarks or our internal benchmarks of how much calls does a particular sales rep can give to a high priority or a low priority customer. That amalgamated with how many calls a sales reps can give in a year. That can help us identify what is our optimal size. Now, this can be done in a few ways. We can have a very simple workload buildup, or we can do profitability modeling, which is a little bit advanced. But essentially, we'll at the end of the day, we'll get how many people we need. Let's say 50. Now, the next important question would be, where do these reps need to be deployed? I'll take an example of India. So, for example, in Delhi, we might need 5 sales reps, whereas in Mumbai, we might need 10 or 15. Similarly, in Jammu and Kashmir, we might need one sales rep, and so on. So here comes our territory alignment. We carve out territories for the sales rep to avoid any conflicts based on the workload that we calculate in the Salesforce sizing. And the last part is the incentive compensation, the most important part, where we identify plans to how do we want to compensate the sales reps. So essentially, if we do this, we can have a fair idea of how we can design a Salesforce. So I think that's in the session for today. Thank you.